Hi everyone, this is Alex with Sky High DeFi, and I wanted to show you a really quick tutorial about how to stake your Ruler token for xRULER and earn some really great rewards right now. I wanted to go over here to CoinMarketCap real quick and just kind of show you where we're at right now. Price is sitting at about 385, 386. It's been going up pretty steadily the last couple days. Just when I had got in, we were looking at about like right around here, I believe somewhere around the 272, 280 mark. So just in the last couple days, we're up over $100, and I have a feeling this is going to keep happening because this is a pretty cool little project. Now I'll get more into an in-depth Ruler protocol video, but for now, like I said, we're just going to be staking our Ruler for Ruler X and getting some of those rewards. All you have to do to get Ruler, hop over to SushiSwap and just do a quick little swap right here. Grab yourself some of that Ruler, and from there, you're going to go over to the Ruler protocol. Now, you'll probably see this when you get in here. Like I said, we'll deal with this a little bit more in a different video, but for now, we're going to say that you're ready to just stake some Ruler and earn those rewards. So we're going to go right here to the xRULER tab, and you'll see right here we have a stake and an unstake tab. Now right here you are going to see I have 0 Ruler right now, but that's because I have already staked mine. And you can see that right here that I have 10.56 xRULER, which equates to 11.04 Ruler. I believe I had deposited 10.83 at the time, so I've already been getting those rewards for 2 or 3 days now. And you can see the APY is pretty high right now. Additionally, they're in phase 1 right now, and they're offering 40 Ruler per day to be rewarded out to the xRULER stakers. So right now is the perfect time to get in on this. Between the price possibly going up more and getting these really nice returns and the token handout, definitely a very good thing to be involved in right now. So, to stake your Ruler, we'll hop back over here. If you had some, you would see it right here in this tab. All you'd have to do, of course, is just make sure that your wallet, like MetaMask, is attached. If you are ready to stake the max, all you would do is click the max button right here, and from there, approve the gas fees. Right now, we're looking pretty high, as you can see. In fact, that is about the highest I've ever seen, so I would highly recommend keeping an eye on the gas and seeing if you can get in at a better time, when the network is not so bogged down, or on a weekend, and go ahead and get that approved. From there, you're going to see over in this tab how much xRULER you have, because you've now changed over your Ruler to xRULER, and you'll see its equivalency in Ruler. And at this point, you are going to be eligible for this 40 Ruler a day giveaway for the stakers of xRULER. So I hope that helps out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave comments below, and I hope everyone has a great day.